Essco Calibration Laboratory offers a convenient variety of services designed to meet your unique calibration needs. Ranging from on-site calibrations performed at your location by one of our many on-site technicians to in-lab calibrations performed at our state-of-the-art laboratory. With over 50 years of industry experience and more than 100,000 pieces of equipment calibrated annually, we know that minimizing equipment downtime and maintaining productivity are important to all of our customers. That's why we offer on-site calibration services throughout New England, eliminating downtime associated with shipping your equipment to us and enabling instruments to be put back into production as soon as the calibration is complete, saving you time and money. Our on-site department is fully staffed with over 20 technicians, all of which are well-versed in multiple disciplines, allowing them to calibrate a diverse range of instruments in a single visit. And our industry-leading team of dedicated on-site support staff help ensure we're sending the best technicians for the job with the proper documentation and equipment to get the job done right. They also work with our customers by reminding them when instruments are due for recalibration and scheduling a convenient time to perform the work. Customers even receive the added benefit of having calibration certificates available on ESCOnet in real time, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So there's no need to wait to receive your documentation. Essco also makes in-lab calibration services easy, convenient, and timely by offering lightning-fast turnaround on equipment pickup and delivery throughout New England. With one of the largest van fleets in the calibration industry, many equipment pickups can be scheduled as quickly as next day. A dedicated support person will work with you to arrange a convenient equipment pickup time. And once calibrations have been completed, we'll conveniently deliver it right back to your location with all documentation included. Essco also regularly calibrates instruments shipped to us from around the United States. Whether you are located outside of our New England service area or simply prefer to ship your instruments to have them calibrated, we've got you covered. Just package your equipment, ensuring that delicate instruments are packed safely and securely. Ship them to Essco along with the proper documentation, and we'll handle the rest, including shipping your equipment back to you securely using our state-of-the-art spray foam packaging process. Many customers even keep the reusable custom packaging for future shipping. Whether you'd like to arrange an on-site appointment, pick up and drop off calibration services, or you'd prefer to ship your instruments for calibration, our dedicated support team and more than 40 metrologists can help you conveniently manage your calibration program efficiently and effectively. Contact us today to inquire about service in your area.